Yo, YouTube, what's going on, man? Right now I'm live trading, and I see a potential bullish setup on SPY. So on the 2-hour chart, you can see SPY did flip bullish. If we look at the structure, high, low, lower high, which is bearish, higher low, which is bullish. Boom. Broke above this high right here, plus we broke above pre-market highs. So that boy might want to keep on running up. But I'm also aware that we did gap up overnight. We had yesterday's highs right here. Right now we're way up here. So if we go to the daily chart, look at the daily. See that big old gap? So we either gonna come down and fill the gap, or it's gonna keep on running and leave the gap. So I'm gonna find my entry on the 2-minute. Right now, we got a potential uptrend starting on the 2-minute. We got the low, high, higher low. If it bounces up, if it break above 5-day, I'll get in calls to ride that trend up. We up at 5-day right now. We're trying to break right now. Get my contracts ready. I'm gonna go 583 calls, same day expiration. So I'm going 0 DTE. We gotta break past this high day. 582.61. There we go. I'm gonna get in now. I'm at SPY calls right now. I'm in there 0 DTE. So the contract's gonna move pretty fast. Stop loss gonna be right below this breakout candle. There we go, SPY off the rip. Yes, sir. Come on, man. Let's see if that boy really wanna go, or is it playing with me? That boy SPY's taking aside some consolidation right here. So right now, it could either pull back a little bit, which is cool, as long as it holds this uptrend, make another higher low, or that boy can consolidate a little bit, make another higher low right here. Break high of day, keep on running up. See what it do. All right, but pushing up. I'm gonna turn my stop loss right below consolidation. Boom. Because I'm counting this as a higher low to continue that uptrend. Now, we gotta break high of day to continue running up. But if it bounces down, make a lower high, that'll be bearish. If break this low, I'll get out. That boy trying to break high of day. We gotta break above high of day right here. Good SPY. I'm gonna trim my stop loss below this breakout candle. All right, let's see if that boy can keep on going. Crazy damn boy. Let me take some profits right here, man. Yes, sir, SPY. Stop playing with them boys, man. I say it in every video, man. Market Sniper, stop playing with me, boy. We might get 100%, man. See how far the boy wanna shoot up. We got resistance coming up at 584.84. Big old doji candle up here. Look like we might be getting a pullback on the 2-minute. Yup. As long as that boy hold this uptrend, we good. Boom, boom, higher low. Keep on going up. We good. I'm gonna trim my stop loss below this higher low. Boom. You can see SPY continuing that uptrend. high, higher low. Break past high of day, we taking off again. So we gotta break past 584.21. 5 minute chart, we got a big doji right here. If we break above the doji and high of day, we can keep on going up. If we break below the doji, I'm getting out. And doji is an indecision candle that shows weakness. So it could signal a potential big pullback on the 5 minute, which would be a reversal on the 2 minute. And I don't want to hold through all that. All right, now, spot looking a little bearish up here. With a high, low, it's trying to make a lower high right here, which would be bearish. Let's see. Yup. High, low, lower high. If we break this low, it's time to get out. We got bears coming in. Yup. Boy, bouncing right at the stop loss. That's why I don't get out immediately when it hit my stop loss. I like to wait and see how it reacts at that area. You know what I mean? All right, now we gotta break above high of day if it wants to keep on going. Back on the 5 minute. See how that doji slowed us down? That doji came in, stopped everything, boy. This candle right here. That boy looking weak. All right, let me get out. All right, I'm out of there, man. Hey, I earned my stripes because I know how to snipe, man. Stop playing with me, boy. Beautiful trade, man. And in my Discord, look, told them boys, if SPY break above pre-market highs, that boy can go up. Let's see, somebody just posted something in the game section. Quick 13% on SPY this morning. Yes, sir. Look, bro, he just posted this, man. You just seen it pop up. The same exact entry as me, bro. I teach these entries every Friday in my live classes, man. I teach them every Friday. I teach my exact strategy, bro. I teach y'all boys how to snipe like this. This cat just posted this, man. That boy entered the same trade as me. Entry, he exited a little different, but we got in that mug. Beautiful. But let's look at the entry. That boy's still going, golly. I might have got out a little too early. It's cool though, man. Cat's got the bread. I'm cool, I'm chilling. But let's look at the entry, man. The entry was on this candle right here. Stop loss. Very tight stop loss right there. Boom. Max take profit was around up here somewhere. Pretty sure. Was at around 70-some%, 0 DTE. So what I seen was, let me draw the structure on the 2 minute. Low, high, higher low, higher high. I'm gonna count this consolidation as a higher low, higher high, higher low, boom. Nice uptrend, then that boy flipped bearish a little bit by breaking this low. Now it's shooting back up. So, caught that uptrend right here. But, let's take it out to the 5 minute. 5 minute, can't really see nothing for real. I mean, that's why I be on that 2 minute. Can't really see nothing on that 5 minute. Shooting straight up vertical. I'm really putting y'all boys on game right now. For the free. Let's go out to the 2 hour chart. 2 hour chart. Look at that structure, man. It flipped bullish for us right here. High, low, lower high, higher low, boom. Broke above this high, broke above pre-market highs, and I entered on the 2 minute. Boom, broke that boy up. Know what I mean? That's how you snipe something, man. You gotta track it down first. Can't just jump in there. You gotta track it down from the higher time frames. By higher time frame, I mean that 2 hour. That 2 hour gonna show you. But if y'all rock with the video, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're going crazy. I'm gonna catch y'all boys next time. Yes, sir.